All right, grade 11. So let's take a look at Workplace and Apprenticeship Math 20. We're going to be starting Chapter 3, Surface Area, Volume, and Capacity. A lot of formula work in this unit. So get used to doing formula work in the way that you're instructed to. So let's take a look at the unit outline. You can see right here we've got our chapter outcomes. So you need to understand how to work with formulas. And you need to understand surface area, volume, and capacity. We have 4 sections: the surface area of prisms, the surface area of pyramids, cylinders, spheres, and cones, the volume and capacity of prisms and cylinders, the volume and capacity of spheres and cones. You have to remember that volume means the amount of space that something takes up. It's like a solid object takes up this much space, this many cubic centimeters. Capacity is how much something holds. So you've got a spherical tank. How much does it hold? Here's our calendar. October 14th, you're going to be working on the prerequisite skills, getting those done. Then we've got Chapter 3.1, 2 days on that. 3.2, 2 days on that. Then an assessment here where you can use your notes. Then 3.3, then 3.4, and then finally the test right here. Notice there is no day of review before the test. Make sure you are ready for it. All right, here are the textbook questions along here. And most of these sections have some basics questions. So if we look in section 3.1 here, it's page 6, there's the examples. Then there are some basic questions here. You should be able to do those questions. Calculate the surface area for all of these objects. This one's going to be a little bit hard, actually. Oh, we'll just pretend that it's a box like this. Now, the answers are listed up here. They're not in the correct order. So, but you should get these numbers. And there's no units on them. You need to get the units on them. So every section will have some basics before you, along with the textbook questions. You can see here section 3.2. There's some examples. More examples to go through. And then some basics to do. All right. When you're doing the basic questions, I would suggest that you actually have a separate sheet of paper that you can do your work on and write it out properly using the proper formula work. All right, so that's it for the unit outline. You can see the calendar here. Make sure you mark off the 21st as the first assessment. The 29th is the first test. Make sure you keep up, you understand what's going on.